Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Cryptokip, and today we are going to be talking about how easy it is to get to a $1 CRO coin, and a big news story for the day. Bitcoin back to $20,000, literally right as I'm starting this video. Right now, very exciting news to see. We have been struggling with the $20,000 price level for so long, but it is finally time. We've broken above it. Let's see how high above $20,000 we can get. We might have a resistance coming up at $23,000, but let's talk a little bit about how CRONOS is doing, how the crypto markets are doing, and how we get to that $1 CRO coin. If you guys like this kind of content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 3 videos and even 4 videos now every single day. And we're keeping you guys up to date with the things that are great and very recent in crypto. Make sure that you guys subscribe to the channel as well, because when we hit 10,000 subscribers on the channel, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber, so you don't want to miss out on that. Let's take a peek at this beautiful chart. Bitcoin was just at $20,000 and it just ticked right before I shared my screen. I bet you'll see it hop right back above $20,000 here in a second, hopefully. Ethereum back above $1,400, which is spectacular to see. And let's look at CRONOS back to 11 cents, just under 11 cents. Now, how do we get a 10x and a $1 CRO coin? Well, it's pretty simple, guys. All we need is to see this go from $2.7 billion to $27 billion. That's pretty much the math that we're going to need here. And how is something like this possible? Well, guys, when you look at these charts and you see CRONOS, let's just remember, it's already happened. We had just under a $1 CRO coin, and that was on bullish news of the cryptocom team coming out with a Super Bowl ad. Actually, this rise came ahead of that news. Really specifically, this rise came from the Staples Center purchasing. So they bought the naming rights to the Staples Center for $700 million, which at the time, if you look at the market cap of the project, it was at $22 billion. Guys, $700 million. Actually, I think the news came out right around here. So $700 million out of about $5 billion. You're talking about, a couple percent. What is that? 5 or 10% of the entire market cap is what they invested into marketing, which is spectacular. And look what it did. It made their market cap shoot up to $22 billion in a couple of weeks. For those of you guys that got to ride this beautiful candle upward, it was truly spectacular. But then, as we all know, the crypto market started to crash, and all cryptos crashed. And a lot of people like to point at this crash as kind of the end of CRO coin. There's been a lot of FUD coming out about CRO lately, which is very interesting. But the matter of fact is this: cryptocom is not going anywhere. They are sticking around. They have excellent marketing campaign. They have spent the right money in the right places. Yeah, have they had some layoffs? Absolutely, but so have other crypto exchanges, Binance included. So many large crypto exchanges have had layoffs, and so that's nothing special. A lot of people like to point at that as something bearish about crypto.com. I look at it as a choice to allocate funds. Now, those are people's lives. Those people had salaries, and now that they don't have those, it's very sad. I agree. But in terms of keeping longevity for the company, I think part of the reason maybe they had layoffs is because they were trying to focus their efforts on certain things that they needed to do during this bear market. One of them being recently coming out with the the European Union headquarters in France, where they spent $150 million. We've talked a lot about this, but guys, a $1 CRO coin is a no-brainer. And if the FIFA World Cup creates some bullish momentum for crypto.com, that could potentially happen early 2023, possibly even before the end of the year. I think it's unlikely. Let me just say this, that CRO coin hits $1 before the end of the year. I think that's a little over bullish. But I do think we've got a chance for some momentum to maybe get back up to that 20, 30 cent level. If crypto continues to pump, Bitcoin's back above $20,000, as you can see right here. So crypto's pumping right now. And if we see Bitcoin go up to $23,000, $25,000, we could easily get back to, about a 20 cent CRO coin, possibly an 18 cent CRO coin, maybe even upwards of a 30 cent CRO coin. And then now all we need from there is about a 3x for CRO coin. But the main story here is, guys, on a baseline level, CROcoin to hit $1, to hit its previous all-time high, is almost an assumption you can make that will happen. The question is how many multiplication factors over the previous all-time will CRONOS hit in the next bull market? And that's what I really like to talk about on this channel, is how do we get to a $2, $3, $4, $5 CROcoin? Is a $10 CROcoin possible? I've talked a little bit about that in a previous video. If you want to see how a $10 CROcoin is possible, check out the link I'm going to post for you right here. Did a video on that a while back, but in the short to midterm, right, to start this next bull run, whenever that might begin, probably 2024, 2025, but maybe an end of year pump for here in the year 2022. CROcoin could easily get back to $1 in a hurry. The bulls are waiting on the sidelines. The bulls are out. $1 CROcoin would be a very, very spectacular sight, and we would all love to see. Would we like to see this? Would we love to see this $1 CROcoin? I think that it would be something that the community, we could all rally around. We've been waiting for it for a while. Guys, it will be coming. Just patience. In the meantime, look, if we dip down to 5 cents, you got a DCA, you got a hodl, you got to do all the good stuff. We got $1 CROcoin coming in the future, but if you get it at 5 cents, if it does crash down that low, now you're looking at not just a 10x to $1, you're looking at a 20x to $1. So these are things to keep in mind, guys. That's all I got in today's video. I am Cryptokip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, you've got to remember to DCA, HODL, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks so much, everybody. I got 2 videos for you right here and right here if you would like to check them out. That's all I got. Peace. Have a great night.